Hey everybody, this is Scent Queen, and I received my second Candles from the Keeping Room order yesterday in the mail, and I wanted to share it with you real quick. So I'm going to get started. She was kind and sent me 4 of the little samples like this, but she also sent me this huge looking little cinnamon bun in the scent Gingerbread Pumpkin. And this thing is huge. And it smells strong. I just took it out of the package for you to see, and it's already filling my room with scent. So I can't wait to try that in the melter. Next, these are the rest of the free samples she sent me. And I'm not going to do scent descriptions unless it was something that I smelled and thought it was just amazing. I mean, they all smell good, but there were a couple that really caught my attention. But this is other free samples in Christmas pudding. Blueberry muffins. I am a sucker for blueberry, and her blueberry on cold snuff smells pretty good, so I want to see how it does warmed. And this, I was so happy to see this because she sent this as a free sample in my last order, and I melted it, and I loved it, is the blackberry jam butter cookies. And it's amazing, melted. I love it, I love it, I love it. I gotta order that. And the last free sample is caramel custard flan. So we will move on now to what I did order. And I ordered 3 samplers, and I will do my best to tell you what the sampler was. They're not on the website anymore, and I should write this stuff down, but I didn't, so I do apologize. But the first sampler, I believe, was just like sweet bakery. I think that's what she called it. And it's sampler number 89. And this is what was in that sampler. Sugarcane vanilla, Ultimate Bakery, which I wanted to try this because I heard that it was new and that it's supposed to be similar to like Front Porch's Ultimate Bakery and all that jazz. And it is similar, but like I know this is like a paraffin wax and you don't exactly get the strongest scent throw on cold sniff. So we'll see how it does warmed. Next one is Bear Claws and maple buttercream, and this one is birthday cake, and this one does smell good. It smells yummy, just like birthday cake. Now this one was my favorite from this one so far. Jelly donuts, and you can see she has a pretty red pinkish glaze on top of the cruller donut, but this smelled like grape jam with bread. It smells so good. I can't wait to see what it does once it's in the warmer. The next sampler I ordered is number 80, and this was an Indian bread sampler. So, in this one was Indian sweet bread, and they are in shapes of toast. There's 2 per bag. Next one is pumpkin Indian bread. This one was this shocked me. I have no idea. It smells so good. English breakfast zucchini bread. And this one, I don't know. When I smelled it, I was just amazed. It just smells so good. I can't even really describe it. It's like citrus and sweet and bread and just delicious. Keep your eye out for my reviews because, you know, they're in my weekly melts. I have a feeling that's going to be one of my first victims because I just love how it smells. Sweet apple Indian bread. And we got harvest zucchini. And the last one from this sample is apple cran zucchini, and this smells so good too. You could smell the apple, but really you could smell the cranberry, so that means I need to try some of her cranberry scents because the cranberry smells amazing in that. And for my last sampler, it was number 81, and I believe this was just a Christmas sampler, I think. I'm pretty sure. Christmas cabin, Christmas pudding, plum pudding, popcorn garland, and this one surprised me as well because I do like the scent of popcorn, but when I'm melting it, I don't want to smell like this heavy butter scent, you know, wafting through my house. But this is a really light popcorn fragrance. It just smells good. It's not buttery, which I appreciate. Christmas wassail. And last one is Christmas time. So, yeah, I can't wait to get melting these. And, I don't know. I like this vendor so far. I have melted a few things from my first order, which you'll see in my reviews. But, yeah. I'm happy with this vendor so far. Customer service is amazing. I think the first order I placed was like at 6 in the morning, and I already had a click and ship notice at 6:15 that same morning. So, it's crazy fast. Yeah. So, I highly recommend you give them a shot. And I thank you guys for watching, and have a good day. Bye.